some lazy lines.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a go-to product of mine, and also some techniques I've learned with some tips throughout my video on ways I've learned how to extend my styles quite dramatically. This is going to be a lengthier video of a product that performs and even better depending on how it's applied. So relax, go grab a snack if you need to. If you're anything like me, you're an insatiable pit of hunger. I've had a few questions on how I achieve my styles and my patterns, so today I'm going to be sharing with you how I do exactly that. If you'd like to learn more on saving time by extending your styles and learning my application method and how to enhance and define your curl pattern, then keep on watching.
Is this thing on? Yeah, it is. Okay. Ooh, so I just got out of the shower. And I used a shampoo and conditioner combo that, they're from the same line, but I used them. I haven't used them in a few months because they didn't really work for me at the time, but I just use them now, and this is my hair straight out of the shower, washed and conditioned. I'm gonna have to make a review video about that because y'all gonna lose your mind. Y'all gonna lose your mind, I'm telling you right now, because I was not expecting this to happen. The conditioner weighed my hair down. It's still doing it even after I rinsed it all out, so that's really good because it helps me style easier. But yeah, we gonna have to make a video about that. Yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. I'm gonna get the product on that I'm gonna be reviewing today, and this is almost empty because I've used it for a while, but I want to show you guys how exactly I apply it and after I stretch it. And how I stretch it is going to be another review video, and I will have to, I'll probably make a post on Instagram about it, but I want you guys to make sure you are subscribed so you can see it, because I'll give you a hint somewhere in this video on what tool I'm going to use, because she's a bit pricey. But anyway, let me get this in here. Where's it at? Here it is. So this product here is the Main Choice.
The Main Choice Tropical Moringa Pearly Braid Out Glaze, and it is very slimy. It has a lot of slip, which I absolutely love, and it smells really good. It smells like a nice, fruity, tropical scent.
So how I apply this, I'm going to wet my hair a little more. And I also want to see what you guys use, so leave a comment below and tell me what some of your favorite go-tos are. But I will put it on my hands like this and then start applying it. Typically I'll start at the back and just rake it through. I kind of do it in layers just so I can get some control. I like to start with control actually. And by control, I mean once I get product on my hair, it's not going to frizz up. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm not putting all of it on at once. I'm moving quick because my hair likes to frizz up when I get out of the shower. And that ain't cute. So I'll go in heavier and it starts really bringing my curls together. Going in some more here. And with this product, I do have the leave-in, but I don't know, I tried it a few times and it didn't really, it made my hair soft, but it doesn't maintain this hold that I'm about to show you what I get with this product. It doesn't maintain it as hard and as long enough, because I like a lot of hold. I like my hair to be weighed down, and I like a lot of hold, so, and flexibility, which is kind of hard to find. So usually braid out gels or glazes work best for my hair. And it's already clumping my curls together. So after I have this in my hair doesn't poof up. And it's very sticky too, which I love, because then if it's sticky, then my curls are gonna stick together and clump better. More product. Product junkie. And then I will really focus on this part of my hair because it likes to frizz. So make sure that is coated evenly. And then I'll do the same on this side. And this is a heavy product. Well, it can be if you want it to. And that's what I like about it, because my hair needs heavy product. And it's really hard to find a heavy product that actually performs. So I just will continue to build this. Yes, yes, do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's what I like. Yes. I'll do another example like that. That's enough product. From what I've tried, if I just let my hair air dry like this, not like this, but like it doesn't work out for me. It dries weird, and then it looks weird the next day. So what I do is I will flip my hair up. If it's up and it's up and it's up. Okay, no, sorry. We'll flip it up so it's like all together, and then I will try to get all the little sticky hair stuck to my forehead off and into my hair. So yeah, so that's good. That looks good right there. And then I will fling it forward like that. And then I'm gonna spray my hair again. Make sure you guys can see. I'm listening to make sure it's saturated, and I'm going to add more product, especially to my ends. Like, look at this. It's amazing. And I use a pretty wide detangling brush so it doesn't ripple my hair out. I usually experience a little shed while I'm styling my hair too. And that's okay, because Lord knows I got plenty here. Now I will fling it forward again. And then work it in sections. So, like an outward mohawk kind of.
The goal here is to apply the product very thoroughly. Notice how I'm not just grabbing a section and quickly applying it just to the outside and moving on. I am applying it and keeping my curls taut and straight as I apply some pressure to the product and work it thoroughly into my hair and throughout my ends. I'm running my fingers through my section and making sure everything is very evenly coated and distributed versus just grabbing the product and slapping it on the outside section. My curls are curly, so if they are coiled and folded up while I'm doing this motion, those coils and curls are not going to get product on them, and you'll have spotting if you do that, and we don't want that.
There we go. Because that is where my front is. And that's most of the hair that people see that I see. And I just want a little more definition, but I ain't going to this time. But, okay. We are, look at that. It's like, can't fake this. This is clumpage at its finest. And we just work this through here and make sure that it's all coated. I'll flip it back. And then I'm done, and then I just gotta wait for it to dry. And so it's like, first I distributed it evenly throughout my hair, how it was like all around, and then I will flip and like kind of like shingle and pull my hair so it falls, pull the roots so they fall like up to give me a little bit more volume, which is what you're looking at now. And then I will I'll do that and I'll wait for it to dry. So this is my styled product. This is my hair with the product all in it.
Notice how there's no frizz and it's pretty weighed down.
And that's what we want. So I will see you guys back in, I don't know, however long it takes for this to dry. Be back. Alright, here it is about, I'd say 80% dry. It's probably going to take the rest of the day to completely air dry, but this is what I'm doing right now, and this is how it's looking. She cute. She got them curls hanging. But yeah, I am going to wait for this to dry, and then I'll probably wait till the next day, tomorrow, to actually stretch it, because I want to do it when it's completely dry. And then I will show you guys my second day hair with this. So it is coming along really well. I have literally like no frizz. No frizz. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, this is the next day, so let's see how it looks. I have not stretched it yet, so I just woke up and we're gonna see how she's looking. And then I'll show you how it looks when it's stretched. I got spider legs, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. Very defined. Yeah. So I'm gonna stretch this and show you guys the final look. So I'll be back. Alright, so this is my hair stretched after using the device I'm gonna review in my next video. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell icon. This is also a protective style for me too, and this didn't take me very long to do versus what I would use a regular hair dryer. So I'll probably pull this up, and man, my hair's getting really long. I'll be back. So I'll probably put it up like this and just keep it out of my face. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this little antenna. But yeah, this is a really neat device, and I'm really excited to show you guys and how much time it saves me. So, but this is it. I can't stop playing with my hair, but I have found pretty sure I found like a really solid hair routine that I love, and I'm probably gonna be doing this for a while. Deadly combo. Oh, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Go back to the